how to convert Canva website to Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about converting your Canva website into your Wix website over here. So unfortunately, that is currently not possible to just instantly click or drag and drop since they are a very different language. Their framework are extremely different. So it's not something we will be able to do easily just yet. But there is a workaround if you really want to be able to use Canva's different elements, different design. So what I would recommend that you guys do is to create your design in Canva, just like what you're seeing over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on share over here on the top right and click on embed over here. You're going to receive an HTML embed code and you're going to go to your Wix site over here and you're going to add embeds inside of this. So over here, let's click on embed code. And over here, simply click on add to site and add whatever or wherever you want it to be. Enter the code. You're simply going to paste your code over here, click on update, and you will be able to get your Canva design be placed inside of your Wix studio over here. So you could easily just populate your Wix website over here with different Canva designs. And you could technically create a Canva website inside of Wix through that method. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.